Welcome to Naxos, Greece, the island that has it all. Join us as we explore its pretty streets, stunning beaches, great food, fun ways to get around, a town made of marble high in the mountains, and even a pink lake. We travelled from Santorini on the ferry yesterday. Really good experience. I think it was about €62 for the two of us. Took 2 hours. We're off to explore the main town in Naxos, which is Chora, and where we're staying for the next 3 days. We're down here at Cafe Bossa, great little place right on the water. And yeah, great looking food. What have you got, Tyler?
Can't wait. A healthy Super Bowl with fresh fruit, goji berries, chia seeds.
Looks yum. And I've gone for the bacon eggs Benedict. I've tucked in already.
Can I?
Yeah.
My go. Great Greek yogurt.
Yeah, it looks really good. We're up in the old town of Chora, and it's really beautiful. It's just so peaceful. There's hardly anybody around. The walkways are really pretty, kind of these crazy paving designs, but it's just clean and bright, colourful.
Lots of pretty stores.
Yeah.
Gorgeous buildings. Lots of shopping in Market Lane. Lots of jewellery and clothing. And of course, lots of souvenirs. Lots of blue things in Greece.
We've only been here for a short time. I think we've both fallen immediately in love with Naxos. Don't quite understand why people are not raving about it as much as some of the other islands. It's peaceful, beautiful.
Real relaxed holiday feel without being over the top.
Yeah,
luxurious.
Low chill, and there's great bars, cafes, great views. So, yeah, welcome to Naxos.
Come out to a beautiful Greek restaurant called Oasis. I've been excited to have a Greek salad finally, and melted feta special.
I've really been looking forward to the lemon potatoes and slow roasted lamb.
Oh wow, this looks so good. Still going. Oh my god. So yummy. Best feta ever.
Morning guys. Just hired a buggy for the day on Naxos from Falcon Auto and Motor Rental. Here's our little beast. So we're looking forward to a bit of an adventure. We're going to tour around the island, going up to the mountains in the middle. There's some towns made of marble up there.
Head across to the beaches on the other side.
Yeah, super excited. Can't wait to get in the buggy.
Yes.
stopped off at the church of Drosiani, and there's a service on at the moment, so we don't want to interrupt anything, we're just really kind of observed from the edges, but it was really cool to see all of the community breaking bread and drinking wine together. Really quite so peaceful. Good to see some of the local people and culture.
Hi there! We've made it to this gorgeous little village called Halki. Again with the crazy pebbled streets, gorgeous cafes, boutiques.
Yeah, it's super pretty, and just stopped off at this cafe called Cafe Roos, although it's actually spelled like this. But yeah, really nice little place, lovely lady who owns it, and a cat called Babe. Where'd the cat go?
I don't know.
Okay, the cat's disappeared. We've got a nice slice of orange cake.
Enormous slice.
And already the second coffee for the day. Way up in the mountains now in Aperinthos, the Marble City, and all of the narrow alleyways are just paved with marble, and I think a number of the houses are also made of marble too. It's very pretty.
Cute little place full of arts and crafts.
Yeah, and there's lots of kind of cafe restaurants with great terraces overlooking the mountains in the background.
Oh my god! I can't believe this is the main road along the coast!
What an epic journey across the island, up over the mountains, all the way around to one side, and then we're back closer to Naxos now.
We've been through farms and mountains and deserted places and dirt roads. But now, look at this water, it looks incredible.
Time for a swim, I think.
Absolutely. We're covered in dust and tired and hot. Time to head off. Next place. Don't forget to shut the door.
Wow, what a blast. Definitely recommend hiring one of these buggies on Naxos. Falcon have been really good. Yeah, can't fault them, so definitely recommend them as well. But wow, we've had such a great time.
Oh, it's the best way to get around.
Yeah.
Definitely wouldn't recommend a moped.
No, there's lots of off-road.
That's loads of fun.
Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, definitely do it when you get here. Cheers, gorgeous.
We're having more amazing food. I know I always say food's delicious. This one's delicious too. Fried rolls, amazing Greek cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, amazing herbs, absolutely delicious.
Morning. We're just leaving Naxos now after a wonderful 3 days. It's just been amazing. We think Naxos is an all-round great place to come for a holiday. It's got all the pretty little streets, loads of activities to do, great restaurants, good prices,
Great beach,
sandy beaches.
villages.
Yeah. So yeah, it's certainly on our list of places to come back to. Off to Paros now.
Yep,